Hello students, welcome back. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and going through to my all videos. So, are you ready for today's video? So, let's get started. Subject, Maths, class. Yes, tell me your class. In which class you are? First. Yes, it's right. It's the video for class 1, chapter 2, numbers 1 to 20, and in this video our lecture number is 7. The subtopic of this video is numbers and number names 11 to 20. In this video we will learn number names 11 to 20. So let's start and move ahead. As you can see on the screen, what is this? Ooh, these are beautiful and colorful sketch pens. Okay, so let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And 1 makes 9 and 1 makes, tell me. Yes, you are so intelligent. 9 and 1, 10. So let's count it. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 9 and 1, 10. Now 9 plus 1 is equals to 10. And the bundle of 10 things is 1 tens. The bundle of 10 things, we call it 1 tens. Okay, one bundle of 10 things is 1 ten, and a single thing is ones. So 1 10 and 1 1 is 11. E-L-E-V-E-N, 11. 1 10, 2 ones. 1 10 to 12. T-W-E-L-V-E, 12. T-W-E-L-V-E, 12. Next, 1 10, 3 ones. 1 2 3. It's 13. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N, 13. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N, 13. 13 means 13. 1 10, 4 ones. 1 10, 4 ones is equals to 10 4 14. 10 4 14. F-O-U-R-F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N, T-E-E-N, 14. F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N, 14. Next, 1 10, 5 ones. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 1 is equals to 1 10 and 5 1 15. 10 5 15. Spelling, or you can call it number names. F-I-F-T-E-E-N, F-I-F-T-E-E-N, 15. 1 10, 6 ones. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 10, 6 ones is equals to 10 6 16. S-I-X-T-E-E-N, S-I-X-T-E-E-N, S-I-X-T-E-E-N. Move ahead. 1 10, 7 ones. 1 10, 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 10, 7 ones. 1, 10, 7 ones, 17. S-E-V-E-N, S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N, S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N, 17. 110, 8 ones. 110, 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 110, 8 ones. 110, 8 ones. 18. E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N. 18. E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N. 18. 110, 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 110, 9 ones. 110, 9 ones. 19. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N. 19. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N. 19. 110 and 110. 110 and 110. 210. 210 means 20. 210 means 20. 2 tens means 20. 110 and 210 make 2 tens. 2 tens means 20. There is nothing on ones place. There is 0. And on the tens place, there is 2. So 2 tens 20. 2 tens 20. 2 tens 20. 2 tens 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. And as you can see on this picture, as you can see in this picture, so this is ones place, this is tens place, this is ones place, this is tens place. Ones, tens, ones place पर 0 है, tens place पर 1 है, तो it makes 10. Ones place, tens place. वंस प्लेस ऑलवेज आपके राइट हैंड से स्टार्ट होता है और टेंस प्लेस आपके लेफ्ट हैंड की तरफ होता है. तो वंस प्लेस पे 0, टेंस प्लेस पर 1. इट मेक्स 1 10, 1 0 10, 1 0 10, 1 0 10.
Okay, now it's our page number 16. So we have to fill this page number. So it's 1 1 11, or you can also say 10 1 11. So right here 1 1 11 and E L E V E N 11. E L E V E N 11. 10 to 12. T W E L V E 12. 10 3 13. T H I R T E N 13. 10 4 14. F O U R T E N 14. 10 5 15. F I F T E N 15. 10 6 16. S I X T E N 16. 10 7 17. S E V E N T E N 17. 10, 8, 18. E, I, G, H, T, double E, N. 18. 10, 9, 19. N, I, N, E, T, double E, N. 19. 2, 0, 20, or we can say 2 tens are equal to 20. T, W, E, N, T, Y. 20. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So here we have done page number 16. Okay students, now it's homework time. Your homework is read page number 16. So this is page number 16 as you can see. So you have to read this page number carefully. In the next lecture, we will discuss about this page number. Okay. Okay students. So our lecture number 7 is finished. So now we have to discuss the homework of lecture number 6. This is the solution of homework of lecture number 6. In lecture number 6, in the previous lecture, our homework was learn number names 1 to 10. I hope you have learned number 1 to 10. So let's revise it again. So here we have number names 1 to 10. So we will revise it and you have to speak with me. So let's start. O-N-E-1, O-N-E-1, T-W-O-2, T-W-O-2, T-H-R-E-E-3, T-H-R-E-E-3, F-O-U-R, 4, F-I-V-E, 5, S-I-X, 6, S-E-V-E-N, 7, E-I-G-H-T, 8, N-I-N-E, 9, T-E-N, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here we have done the revision of our homework lecture number 6. So till next video, bye bye, take care.